Hi, I'm Rob Cuff. I'm a very experienced renovator, builder, handyman person. We've been doing this for roughly 20 years. We had a customer in Upper Ferntree Gully. We'd only just met them and we went there to do a plaster job. And from there, our holistic approach to the project led us into replace all his flooring throughout his kitchen. And while we were replacing his floor, he quietly came up to me and said, while him and his wife are away in Singapore, would we like to install the kitchen as a surprise for his wife? We said, yeah, that'd be great. And then he went to work. His wife came up to us and said, we're going to Singapore as a surprise for my husband. Would you like to install the kitchen for us? And I said, I think you better speak to your husband. They went away, and the 2 weeks that they were away, we installed this magnificent kitchen with island bench, stone floor, all the tiling. And they came back and their reaction was priceless. And it guaranteed us a lot more work from them. So it's the way we approach the customers and the job, impresses them and ensures that we're always busy.